Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys my 3-4 week update with these faux locks, my thoughts on them, should you try them, my pros and cons, all of that. If you've ever been thinking about getting faux locks, this is the video for you. So let's just get right into it. If you didn't catch my other video of me actually installing the faux locks, I recommend you do check that one out first, and then this video, it will definitely explain like the installation, the hair I used, etc, etc. So definitely check out that video first. So you guys should know that I did the individual crochet method for these locks and highly recommend it. I don't think the technique I did was trash or anything. I really do like the technique I picked, so that was no problem at all. What I did notice with this hair is that after a few weeks there became flyaways, or different few strands of hair would just kind of stream together, kind of like a spider web, and kind of stick to each other. I'm not sure if that's because of me and how I was dealing with my hair, but I just think like over time certain flyaways were going to start appearing and I didn't know what to do with those. Honestly, I would just begin snipping them. They definitely came towards the ends. I'll have some images, but here are some right here. Just like random flyaways. I could usually twirl them around my finger or snip them, but that was kind of annoying. A lot of snagging and pulling of the strands. So I never really had faux locks for more than a week, if you guys have seen that video. But I guess that just happens over time. I'm not sure. Not a really big deal for me, but it's just definitely something that you have to keep in mind. So of course this is user error, and also maybe because of the hair I did choose, but braids would show through the root. I talked about that in my first initial install video. That's definitely just because I think I'm also just new to this method of wrapping my hair around the braid, but also, you know, after a while, you know, the faux lock would loosen up and the braids would begin to show through, so that would get kind of annoying. But I will say that did not start happening until maybe this 3rd week right here, and whenever a braid would come out, you could just easily just stick it back in there. It wasn't that big a deal. No problem, no foul. So I definitely recommend, if you do try this, to take your time with the wrapping, really focus on the ends and just getting it tightly coiled around the braid. Take breaks, because you really do just want to take your time and get this to look perfect and flawless. So another kind of, I guess, thought I have about this hair is it reusable? I do not know. I have heard on different crochet Facebook groups that I'm in now that you can rewash these faux locks and put them back in, but I just think after like all the unwrapping and putting it together, I don't think it'll be as seamless and as neat as if it was originally packaged. So I will have to get back to you guys on that one, because I do plan on doing this style again and I do like this hair, but I'm not sure if it's reusable. I know my Marley Twist hair, I wash it all the time and reuse it, but faux locks, I don't know. Let me know down below if you've tried faux locks before, rewashed them and like did that whole thing. Let me know how that worked for you and what you used. I think I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar shampoo and like rinse it with warm water, which is what I usually do. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys would do. I did not wash my hair while it was in this style. I mean, like, I did not dunk my entire head into the shower. I just did my usual routine with my Shave Moisture scalp refresher, going through the parts and refreshing it that way. I did moisturize once or twice a week as needed, and that's about it. That's all I really did. I gave some love to my edges once in a while, but I kind of let this style do its thing. Of course, the older it got, the better it looks, which is one of my fave things about these type of protective styles. I always told you guys, spring twist, Marley twist, and now faux locks, the older they get, the better they look, which is amazing. I do plan on taking the style out in a couple of days or a few weeks or so, but I really don't want to. I'm just bored, but like it could hold up another week or two. Like, it does not look bad to me at all. I didn't do many styles with it. I did the bun, which is my ultimate favorite, and half up, half down, and just all down. Like, that's basically it. You guys could have so many styles. It's super versatile, but you know, I was just quarantined. You know, we're gonna put it in a bun and call it a day. It was great for working out. If you guys are into fitness, I ran with it multiple times in a high ponytail. I did home workouts with it. I had no issue whatsoever, and because of the style and how it's parted and it's individual crochet, I was easily able to get into my scalp, like I said, and do a good scalp refresher once in a while when I felt the need. Oh my god, is that it? I don't know. I think that's all I have to say. Like, I really recommend this style. It does have a few snipples and snaggles in there, but the hair is great. Bobbi Boss Nu Locs, that's what they're called. I showed you guys the packaging in the last video. I'll leave the link below for it as well. It's kind of hard to find it in the 24-inch length, and I didn't care for the 18-inch, so keep an eye out for that as well. I'll try to give you guys the most updated link I can. And yeah, oh my gosh. This is a really short video. I just wanted to show you guys an update. If you guys have any questions about the technique I use with the hair, or if you want to see something else for me to do with crochet, let me know down below. I'll be happy to answer that for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, join the family. We have a great time over here. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.